Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying eligibility and requirements. This saves time and prevents delays. Check local laws and export controls and make sure you have any required permits or proof of affiliation. Once verified, shortlist authorized suppliers and certified models that meet operational needs. Make sure to set a realistic budget range and prepare ID and documentation ahead of contacting dealers. This first step gives you a clear path to acquisition and keeps you within legal and organizational guidelines. Now you evaluate technical fit and procurement channel. Compare generation, image resolution, and mounting compatibility with helmets or optics. Those factors determine operational effectiveness. Then decide whether to buy through a government contract, an authorized dealer, or a licensed retailer based on your eligibility. Once chosen, request formal quotes, confirm warranty and return policies, and ask about training packages. Make sure to document communications so your procurement follows policy and you can finish by inspecting and fitting the gear. Do this in a safe, controlled setting. Unbox and verify serial numbers and accessories, then perform basic operational checks and alignment with your mounting system. Once done, conduct night checks under controlled conditions and fine-tune gain and focus. If something goes wrong, stop use immediately. Contact vendor support, document defects with photos, and request a return merchandise authorization. Make sure to log maintenance and training for future audits and reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.